In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable and install Hyper-V on Windows 10. Let's get started. First, let's make sure your system meets the requirements to run Hyper-V. You'll need to check if your CPU supports virtualization. To do this, open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and then select Task Manager. Now here, click on the Performance tab. Select CPU on the left and look for the virtualization option on the right. It should say Enabled. If it's disabled, you'll need to enable it in your BIOS/UEFI settings. Now that we've confirmed virtualization is enabled, we can proceed to install Hyper-V on Windows 10. Since it's not available by default, we'll use a script to enable it. Check in the link from the description below and then click to download or open this file from your computer. Now here, click on Save As. Under File Name, here put .bat. Now click on Save. Now here is the file. Right-click and then run it as an administrator. This will take some time depending on your computer. When it's done, press Y on your keyboard to restart the computer for the changes to take effect. Once your computer has restarted, let's verify that Hyper-V is installed and working. Open the Start menu and type Hyper-V Manager. If you see it listed, that means Hyper-V is successfully installed. You can now start creating and managing virtual machines directly from the Hyper-V Manager. And that's it. You've now enabled and installed Hyper-V on Windows 10 Home. With Hyper-V, you can explore new operating systems, test software, and create virtual environments, all on your existing Windows setup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.